There are a lot of ways in which you can make some money for yourself, guys. You just have to take some action, okay? Without action, there's no money. So follow me, choose a website, choose a strategy for yourself, and of course, hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Now, the first thing that I wanted to show you today, it is called clipclaps.com, and it's really fun to do, okay? So you will watch certain videos and you will get those rewards, okay? So as they say, capitalize your time with clipclaps. This basically goes in a way that the more time you invest in this, the more money is gonna come out of it, okay? Clipclaps.com has an app on your phone, so you can just go and you can just download this from your Google device or maybe your iOS device. You can see that it is available on both of them, so you can choose wherever, guys. And just imagine, guys, lying in your bed, you just pull out your phone, you watch a few videos, watch some posts, and you get some money. Of course, it won't be thousands of dollars, but it's good money. Clipclaps has been around for some time, and I really love it because they have been existing for such a long time, and this speaks for itself, okay? Basically because it shows us that it's a legitimate thing, that this website is really good and that it really pays. And of course, it is going to be fun and it's going to be profitable as well. So just try Clipclaps. Of course, Clipclaps and all of the other ones that I'm going to show you guys, they work all around the world. So if you live in Africa, if you live in America, wherever you live, you can get some money. It all depends on you and how much time you want to invest in that. Next website that I wanted to show you guys, it is called Userfeel, okay? And this goes in a simple way, okay? These guys are working with certain brands, certain websites, for example, like Amazon or eBay or something like that. And what are you gonna do is you're gonna review those websites, okay? So they're just gonna give you the money to do some tests on those websites, and anyone can do this. Just click on this button, get paid to test. You see it right here. Click on it, and then you can see that you can become a tester of websites and apps, and you can get $3 to $30 per test, okay? You can see that each test lasts 5 to 16 minutes, and you can complete that with your computer, tablet, or smartphone, okay? Most tests are 20 minutes, where you can earn $10, guys. And let's just make a quick calculation of how much money that is. So if you get like $10 for 20 minutes, that means that you can finish $30 in 1 hour, guys. And if you do this for, I don't know, 4 hours today, that's 120 bucks. That is some nice money, right? 120 bucks per each day. And if you do this for, I don't know, 20 days in a month only, that's 2.4 thousand bucks, okay? $2.4 thousand for you guys. That's a really good money. Now, what is important on this website is that you will not get paid if you don't watch this training video and read frequently asked questions and answers below. So you can start by watching this video, and it's really easy, guys. If you click on this video, you will see that people have made this tutorial for you, and you can find a lot of valuable information inside. And basically what you're gonna do, you're just gonna go to certain websites, okay? And then they're gonna give you this scenario and you will perform certain tasks, okay? So you have to find the product on Amazon, for example, okay? So what they're gonna do, they're gonna send you to Amazon, and let's say they want you to find, I don't know, maybe a fridge, certain fridge. You just type in fridge, and then I actually misspelled this one, but I got some fridge. So what are you gonna do on this website is that, for example, you go inside and then you check is everything all right, okay? You see that if you have all the necessary information, if you were that actual buyer, okay? So you can read this and you can see some of these reviews and you can check the price and if the pictures are good, okay? So that's all that you have to do. And sometimes they will ask you to just deliver this to your house, but of course it won't happen because they just want to check the paying process. Of course, you won't have to pay for it. You stop just before payment, but they just want to check if everything is working correctly, okay? Everything up until buy button, okay? So that's gonna be a scenario, so you can just imagine that you go and buy something from Amazon and they will pay you, okay? They want to see if the website is looking okay, if you get some results when you just search for it. So I don't know, maybe you search for some shelf, I don't know, and they want to see which results got to you, which results were the firstly ranked here, and which are down way down here, okay? That's what they want to know, and this one looks really nice. I think that this is a really nice shelf, so that is all that you have to do in here, okay? So, of course, you have a lot of these, like, important things that you have to do. You have some we do not want a tester to, and they need the tester to. So I suggest that you read this carefully, because you can miss out on something and maybe you won't get the job. Just read this carefully, get yourself knowledgeable about this one, and you'll be all right. RealUserFeel.com, you can make a lot of money with this, okay? Of course, hit our subscribe button when you catch the chance. Thank you. Now, the next thing that I wanted to show you guys is Fope.com, and it is time to make extra money with your videos and photos. So guys, if you like to take photos, if you like to do videos, you can just simply upload your videos and photos and earn some cash for you, okay? So this is really simple, guys, and if you like to catch those photos or whatever, guys, you can get a lot of money on Fope.com. You can turn your photos into cash, okay? This is the really easy thing to do, and you have these like missions, okay? And for example, they have these like contests, and you can see that they have nice rewards if you are the winner, okay? And they have a lot of these. So for example, you can upload your photo of the week, and this is just any photo, and you get $150 for it, okay? Now there is, for example, you have to take photos of scooters and bicycles, okay? Then modern ordinary cars. Maybe you can just involve yourself into this one. This is like summer versus fall, and you just take those photos and you just get the money. Just take a look at this. People on their phones. So you just grab those photos, take pictures of someone who is holding a phone, and then just upload it. You have a lot of these. You can do this all day. I mean, it is a really good opportunity, and you can see that the rewards are varying. So for this one, there is $200 reward for you. So it's a really good option. If you like to take photos, this is really the place for you, or maybe even videos. It is a really good thing. Fope.com, you can just sign in, or you can just get this on your phone. You can get it on Google Play, App Store, whatever. Fope is working everywhere, and you can see, guys, that the rating is pretty cool on Google Play as well. And just take a look at this, 5 million downloads already for Fope, and this only speaks for itself. Now, the next thing that I wanted to show you, it is called Money App, and you can complete simple offers and earn that money. Of course, this goes in a way just like the first one. The more time you invest in this, the more money you're gonna get. You can find it on the App Store. It is here, and just take a look at the rating. I have never seen better rated app, 4.9 out of 5. It is a really good thing, and you can find it on Google Play as well. I don't know why I can't find this on my desktop, but you can most surely find this on your Google Play device if you have an Android device. So you can see that you will earn credit, you will complete as many tasks as you can in Hot Offers tab, and then of course you will enjoy your money, okay? It is a really good thing, so I highly suggest that you go out there, guys, take that action, use them, and get the money for yourself. I'll catch you.